Hi everyone, today I will show you how to add a page in Webflow. So let's say you have a website and you want to add another page. What you do is you go pages and here we have a home page. And to add a new page, we click here, create a new page, and we call it, let's say, about page. And you click create. And that's it. Now you have a second page for your website. You can see here home page and about page. And if you want to add a third page or a fourth page or multiple pages inside your website, you need to buy a hosting plan for your website, or you need to upgrade a Webflow workspace plan. So that's the only way you can have more pages inside your website.